When's the last time you looked under your bed? What's hiding there will shock you, and it's affecting your health. Under your bed is a dust bunny paradise. Allergens, pet hair, lost items, and even bugs thrive in this dark, forgotten zone. Step 1. Remove everything stored under the bed. Bins, boxes, shoes, they trap dust underneath. Step 2. Use a vacuum with a flat attachment to reach all the way to the wall. This is where the worst buildup hides. Step 3. For tight spaces your vacuum can't reach, wrap a microfiber cloth around a broom handle and sweep it through. You'll be amazed what comes out. Step 4. Wipe down bed frame legs and any stored items before putting them back. Step 5. For wood or hard floors, follow up with a damp mop to capture fine dust particles vacuum mist. Step 6. If you have carpet, sprinkle baking soda, wait 15 minutes, then vacuum again. Eliminates odors trapped in fibers. Pro tip. Use bed risers to lift your bed higher, makes cleaning underneath way easier and improves air circulation. Can't reach under your bed or don't have time? Our professionals tackle every forgotten corner, including under beds, behind furniture, and all those hidden dust traps. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332. Visit www.bearbroscleaning.com.